Let me know when we can start work when she's in there feeling safe. Thank you very much. So, superconscious mind. Are there any experiences that cause or affect this issue in any way, yes or no? Are there some, or one, or any at all, that you want her conscious mind to know about, yes or no? Thank you. Please take her to the first one you want her to know about, and let the yes come up when you are there. Okay, be there, inside or outside?
Inside.
Okay. When I touch on the forehead, the age of this experience comes forward.
4.
And what's the 4-year-old feeling here?
Confused.
Confused. Now, what I'm going to ask you to do is, are you willing to put your arms around that little 4-year-old, hold her, support her, and just pass love to her and support her? You can even tell her you'll always be there for her. Okay, great. So, superconscious mind, please, you have to do the rest. Can you change that experience for the 4-year-old when the feeling goes from very negative here, all the way confusion, all the way to whatever is the extreme positive, please. When you're at the extreme positive with that superconscious mind, you can let the yes finger come up. Thank you. How's she feeling? Now, do you think she's, I see the smile. Do you think she could go even more positive? Okay, superconscious mind, so we're totally at the extreme positive. I'm just confirming. Okay, so put her in your heart and superconscious mind. When that little one is accepted in the heart, making sure that it's accepted the 10s, let me know with the yes finger, please. Thank you.